So we're at 4th of July Creek again. Hopefully the weather's a little better than last year. Last year we were here right before Hurricane Hillary hit California. So today, our grandsons, Liam and Landon, are joining us. And of course there's lovely Michelle, and Zoe's coming today too. Come on along. Just gonna do a nice little day hike. Gonna go up to 4th of July Lake, and if everybody's still feeling good, we might push on to Washington. At least that's the plan. We brought fishing poles too, so maybe we can do a little fishing. Come on along.
Stop and look at the hawk.
Squirrel. Looks like Michelle found some alpine huckleberries.
Did you already try them?
How's it taste?
Yummy.
Tiny. But they're oh so good.
So, meadow over there with the spring running through it.
We did it! Yes!
We're at 4th of July Lake. You made it. Comes Zoe. There's Michelle. Liam's up there sitting in the shade. pretty little lake. It's not cloudy like it was the last time we were here. It's nice and sunny. It is hazy and smoky because of the fires. But we made it with the boys. Don't know if we're gonna try and do any fishing here or not. Everybody's hungry, so we're gonna sit down and indulge and of course rehydrate. So we had a little lunch, hydrated a little bit. Gonna head out here, gonna leave 4th of July Lake and start making our way to Washington Lake.
You guys ready?
Yeah. Yep.
Let's
All right,
go.
let's go.
It's getting hot.
Well, we're finishing the uphill up out of 4th of July Lake. We're coming up to this little mountain pond. So here's this little alpine pond. It was actually a little bigger when we were here last year, but it's been a lot drier this year than it was last year. So we're just about down to Alpine Lake. We're starting to get views through the trees of the lake, but they found some more alpine huckleberries.
Very steep and narrow.
And sketchy.
Welcome to Washington Lake. This lake obviously is quite a bit bigger than 4th of July Lake. It's a nice little lake. Beautiful views, rugged ridge line.
Finally made it. Woo!
How do you feel?
Pretty good.
All right, you're on camera now. You better catch something. That was a good cast. Sorry, I picked up the camera too late. Hey, bring it over here, bring it over here, bring it over here. Zoe, no. No. Here, you hold this. The camera's on. Nice job, Liam.
Nice job.
Woo. It's a nice fish, Liam.
Have you
Good job, Liam.
Is it the same? No, it's not the same.
No, it's bigger than the one I caught. Zoe loves her mom. Zoe loves her mom. We are heading out of Washington Lake, heading back to the trailhead.
Maybe. If Landon doesn't stop picking and eating
Huckleberry.
alpine huckleberries.
Let's get ahead.
Well, we made it back down to 4th of July Lake.
Yep.
Get down here and then we'll cross the outlet and then we'll continue downhill. So we're down at the lake. Wind is starting to blow a little bit. So gonna go over here, cross the outlet, and continue down the mountain to the trailhead.
So,
Almost. Good job. Are you okay, Landon? Good thing I got that on camera.